Hello everybody, this is Charlie's Trains. We have a steam locomotive 8-wheeler come around the roundhouse here. Ready to come up. Here it comes. And we got another steam locomotive. That's an 8-wheeler. It's 246. And it's coming around the bend here, going through the train bridge. It's got his lights shining and everything. Looks pretty good. Pulling flatbeds with truck trailers on it. Here comes the other 8-wheeler. Come around the bend. Come past the roundhouse. And if you would, please go to YouTube and subscribe to me at Charlie's with apostrophe S Trains 9169. I appreciate it, and I hope everybody has a great day, and thank you for watching.